Hi guys, this is Francis here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform by watching video ads. Okay, these are videos that are going to last for just 15 seconds. Okay, so after watching the 15 seconds advert video, you're just going to get paid to your dashboard immediately. And trust me, once you make up to 3,000 naira on this website, you can be able to withdraw directly to your bank account. Okay, so guys, watch through everything I'm going to be showing you in this video. Make sure you don't skip any part. Okay, so right here I'm just going to show you. Right here you can see I have 780 naira on this website, and this is just what I made just few minutes after testing out this website. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you how I was able to make that. Trust me, this website is actually an investment platform. Okay, so but if you still don't have money to invest, you're still gonna be making money. Okay, so guys, just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, as I'm going to show you the process right now. Okay, so right here I'm going to click on this option right here showing subscribe. Okay, so once I click on it, it's going to show me the list of packages they have on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see this is the free package, but if you're using the free package, you're going to be making only 100 naira per day. Okay, so right here, if you are subscribing for the 5k package, you're going to be making 500 naira per day. Okay, because you're going to be watching just 5 videos, and for this particular package you're going to be making 100 naira for each video you watch. Okay, so right here you're going to be making 330 naira for each video you watch, and if you times it by 5, I think that's like 1650 or so. And if you're investing on the 30,000 naira package, you're going to be making like 3,600 per day. Okay, because for each video you watch, you're going to make 720 naira, and if you times that by 5, that's like 3,600. Okay, so right here you can see this is 50,000 naira package, and for one video you're gonna make 1,300, and you're going to watch just 5 video per day. Okay, so right here you can, if you are able to invest 80,000 naira, you're going to be getting 2,400 per video, and if you times that by 5, you know how much that is. Okay, and right here you can be able to watch 10 videos. Okay, but basically you're going to be investing 150,000. Okay, if you're able to invest 150,000, you're going to be making 3,500 per video, and you'll be able to watch 10 videos per day. Likewise, this, if you're able to invest 200,000, you're going to be making 6,000 per video, and then you're going to be watching up to 10 videos per day. Okay, so guys, you can see this is actually an investment platform. But for those of you who doesn't have money to invest, you can still make money here for free, but it's just going to take you time, because the minimum withdrawal you can be able to withdraw on this platform is 3,000 naira. Okay, so before you can be making 100 naira every day using the free package, before you be able to get up to 3,000 naira, it's gonna take you a whole lot of day. Okay, so I would just advise maybe you should go for the at least 5,000 naira package, so you can be making up to 500 naira per day for yourself. But guys, trust me, this is actually an investment platform, and it is risky. Okay, so if you're going to be investing on this platform, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, because this is actually an investment platform. And note, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, so I'm just sharing this because it is something that I've seen that work for people, and it is working. The platform is actually paying. So guys, I'm doing this video so you can watch, and then if you're interested in investing, then you can invest and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, let me show you through the process before I show you how you can sign up on this web. Okay guys, before I show you through the process, I would say if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button and go on the comment section below. Just drop a comment, tell me which country you're watching this video from. Okay, for those of you that are seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on my channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can start watching and then start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, once you sign up on this platform, maybe you subscribe for the free package, or you subscribe for any amount, what you want to do is to just click on this option right here showing TikTok ad. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so once you get here, you're just going to click on this icon and the video is going to play. You can see right here I've played 3 videos for today. Okay, so once I click on it, you're going to see just an ad is going to pop up. Okay,
dari proses
so right here
pemilihan
you can see
rempah-rempah
this is the
terbaik
ad. Okay,
hingga proses
so you
pembuatannya
can see
yang
the
teruji.
countdown right here. Once it gets to 0, the money is going to be
Menghasilkan
added
rendang sapi yang
dashboard
berkualitas.
immediately. Okay, So right here you can see it is now 0. I'm just going to cancel it and check back my dashboard and see how much I have there. Okay, so now you can see it is 800. Previously it was 780 naira. Okay, so it is 800. This is what you're just going to be doing on this platform. Once you watch your video, your 5 video for the day, you just log out and your money will be paid to your dashboard. Okay, so once you get up to that, once you get up to 3,000 naira, trust me, you can withdraw from this platform, whether you're using the free package or you're using the paid package. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna take you through a process of how you can recharge. Okay, so for those of you who are going to be recharging on this platform, what you want to do is just come down here, click on this option. Okay, so once you click on this place, it's gonna take you directly to this place where you're gonna see your balance, and then you see, and trust me guys, if you're signing up on this website, they're gonna give you 600 naira welcome bonus. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So once you use my link to sign up, they're going to pay you 600 naira directly to your dashboard. Okay, so for those of you that are going to recharge, you're just going to click on wallet. Okay, so once you click on wallet, you can see this option right here showing recharge. Okay, you're just going to click on recharge. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to make the process very short. Okay, so right here you're just going to type in the amount you want to recharge with. Let me just type in 10,000. Okay, so once you type in the amount you want to recharge with, you just come down here and then you click on recharge. It's going to load and then it's going to direct you to a page. Okay, so once you click on confirm, it's going to direct you to a page where you're going to complete the payment process. Okay, you can see right here the correct transfer narration must be entered, otherwise the recharge will not be successful. Okay, this is actually a warning. Okay, so right here just click on OK and you're going to be directed to this page. Okay, so this is the account number you're going to be paying to. You can see the account name right here. You can see the bank name is Palmpay. Okay, so you can see the amount right here, and this thing is very very important. Okay, so once you copy this and then you paste it in the you're going to be using your bank app. Okay, you can see the payment guide right here. You can see open your bank app and make the transfer. Copy the bank account shown above and input the amount shown above. Copy the transfer narration and paste the narration, then complete the transfer. Input the sender name, then send. Okay, then submit the payment. Okay, so make sure you copy this and put it in the narration part while you are trying to make the transfer using your bank app. Okay, so after that you just come right here and then type in your name and you click on submit. Okay, so once you click on submit, it's just going to take few minutes. Okay, so after the few minutes, the money is just gonna it's just gonna show up right here. So once it show up right here, you can just come back here. Okay, you come back here and then you click on this option showing subscribe. Okay, so once you click on subscribe, it's just going to direct you to this page, so you have to choose any of these plans that you have. Okay, any of this plan that you want to go for. Okay, you can go for the 5,000 naira package, you can go for 15,000, you can go for 30, any amount you think is good for you. Okay, so trust me guys, this platform has been paying people. It's actually a new platform and I've seen a lot of screenshots on their Telegram group and on their WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so if you want to join any of those groups, you just click on this help center. So once you click on the help center, you can see this is their customer care for WhatsApp, this is online customer service for Telegram, but all of them has groups where they share screenshots of payments and all that. Okay, so once you just join any of them, you're going to be seeing all their updates. Okay, so guys, I'll just log out right now. The sign up process is very very easy, so I'm just going to log out and then show you how to sign up on this website. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this icon right here and I'm going to log out. So once you use the link in the description of this video, you're just going to be directed to a page like this. Okay, so once you get to this page, what you want to do is type in your phone number right here. You type in this code, whatever code they show you, you type it here. You create a password right here, you repeat the password and the invitation code. Okay, trust me, you can't sign up on this website without invitation code. Okay, so make sure you use the link in the description of this video, so it's automatically going to show up here once you're using the link. Okay, so my code is just going to show up here, and after typing in everything, you just click on register now, and once you click on register now, it's just going to register you and you're going to be paid the 600 naira like I told you earlier. So guys, once you finish signing up, you're just gonna come back to your dashboard. It's either you recharge and subscribe and start earning your money, or you continue with the free plan. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, hit the like button, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'm gonna be dropping more updates on how you can make money online using just your smartphone. Okay, so guys, I would say thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.